Alright, so in this quick video here I'm inside the 1025R with the Mauser Cab, and I figured we'd use this little device here, which is a decibel meter. Get you an actual reading for what the decibels are, and then when we're done with that, we'll go sit in that one over there and do the same reading, just so we kind of get an idea of what a actual cab and then like the Mauser Cab, the actual difference with sound dampening. Now we are inside a barn, so it's going to be a slightly louder, probably about 1 or 2 decibels, but still, that's the worst case scenario, and I think this will probably do a pretty good job. Okay, so here's the bass. Kind of just give you an idea. I'm talking, you can see it kind of going up, 76. All right, so we'll go ahead and set that right there, and we'll start the 1025R up. Turn the blower off and put it in neutral. Alright, so now we're sitting at idle. Go ahead and take it up to 2,500 RPMs. Now we'll take it all the way up to rated. Take this and put the PTO on. And run the mower deck. Alright, now we'll go try the other one. Alright, so now we are in the new Holland Boomer 50 cab. And here's the ambient. And we'll start it up. Turn the blower off. Alright, now we will take this up. Take it all the way up to rated. idea, open up the cab. Run it up. Difference. I will say that the John Deere is right around, you get the 4 Series, the 4320s in them, they were right around 80-82 decibels. That's what they were rated at with the PTO. I believe the new ones now, they claim are rated at about 78, 79 decibels. So, but that kind of gives you an idea. Thank you.